Okay, this next song is called Bird and the Worm, and it's by Owlsing.
Yeah.
If you're the bird, whenever we pretend it's summer, then I'm the worm. I know the part, it's such a bummer, but fair is fair. If my segments get separated, I'll scream, and you'll be there. Close your eyes, slide the cotton off of your shoulder, feel the shine. I'm hooked, so toss me over and cast a line. I'll throw a party and greet my undersea friends as they arrive. You and I left our troubles far behind, but I still have just one more question on my mind. For all my pals who live in the oceans and the seas, with friends like these, well, who needs enemies? Da 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 da. If you're my boy, we'll take a shortcut we remember and we'll enjoy picking apples in late September like we've done for years. And we'll take a long walk through the cornfield and I'll kiss you between the ears. If I'm your girl, swirl me around your room with feeling, and as we twirl, the glow-in-the-dark stars on your ceiling will shine for us as love sweeps over the room, 'cause we tend to make each other blush. You and I left our troubles far behind, but I still have just one more question on my mind. For all my pals who live in the oceans and the seas, with phones like these, well, who needs enemies?